Now we will quickly create a makefile. So makefile is a typically named makefile with a small m or capital M, doesn't matter. And makefile has different rules. So a rule is like saying like main.o depends upon main.c, and then I need to press a tab and I can say that please compile it in this manner: gcc minus c minus w all minus g main.c. And of course for the list.c it will be the similar rule, and then I will say a.out output file name. Let me keep it output just like that, and output depends upon main.o and list.o. And if one of the files main.o or list.o is more recent than output, then please regenerate output like gcc minus o output main.o and list.o. So that's a rudimentary makefile. Of course you will see some duplication here. These flags are duplicated, so maybe I can create a macro. I can say c flags is equal to minus c minus wall minus g, and I can use that c flags here. So I can say $c flags. It helps me to add more options to the flag. Maybe I want to optimize it, minus o optimization, so I can add it at a centralized place instead of writing everywhere. Normally all makefiles have a rule clean, and clean depends on nothing. You just remove the object files as well as the binary. And now we can test it. We can say make. It didn't work. Why it didn't work? Because the first rule is taken as a target. So main.o is the first rule. I should actually keep output as the top level. It will work also if I say make output, then it will work. But by default it left after compiling main.c. So ideally the default target, if I say just make and I don't do make something, make this target, the default target is the first one. So first one you can keep the final executable. Now things will be good. Now for example, if I do make clean and if I do make, everything gets made. And let's say I open main.c and save it. Now main.c has changed and I compile. Only main.c is recompiled. List.c is not recompiled. Now if I run make again, nothing is recompiled. Let's say I want to commit it to the Git and I want to get rid of these temporary things. I can say make clean and I have only the clean stuff. So this is how a makefile looks like, and I think it is easy enough.